For almost a century, Chopin Technologies has focused on providing the cereal industry with quality control tools and methods. Specifically developed for the breeding, milling, and baking industries, the SRC Chopin allows users to easily, quickly, and precisely measure the solvent retention capacity of flour. Glutenins, damaged starch, and pentasins are the three main functional components that influence the behavior of dough during the mixing and baking process. Rheological measurements, like the alveograph test, determine the combined effect of these three polymers. As a perfect complement to these analyses, the SRC test individually assesses the quality of each of these components. This allows better understanding, controlling, and predicting of the end product quality. Developed in the 1980s, the SRC method is a measure of hydration based on the increased swelling capacity of the flour's different polymers when brought into contact with certain specific solvents. It requires the user to follow a very strict, standardized protocol made up of 6 stages: precise weighing of the flour, incorporation of the solvents, solvation by alternating sequences of shaking and resting, centrifuging, draining of the supernatant, weighing the pellet of each tube. Due to the protocol's complexity and the impact of human error, the SRC test suffered from inaccuracies that restricted its use until today. The SRC Chopin is the result of close collaboration with the inventors of the method. It automates the entire analysis process, which really simplifies the test and guarantees very precise results. Weighing the tubes is done with a specific balance equipped with a scanner. This allows the user to minimize time and avoid possible input errors. The tubes containing the flour and syringes containing the solvent are inserted into the machine according to the predefined test scheme indicated on the screen. Then all the operator has to do is start the test. The next steps: addition of the solvent, shaking, centrifugation, and draining are performed automatically. After the weighing at the end of the test, the results are instantly calculated and displayed. The SRC method has already attracted many users around the world. Initially developed to control the quality of biscuits, crackers, and cookies, today the SRC test is also frequently used for bread products. Ideal for optimizing wheat tempering conditions and defining the best blends, the SRC Chopin is also perfectly adapted to breeders due to the small amount of flour needed. Made in France, the SRC Chopin is now available for all present and future users of the method. All across the world, technicians are available to train users, provide maintenance, support equipment, and provide a rapid response to ensure quality analysis. Find us at www.chopin.fr. With Chopin Technologies, keep control.